Here we are. There's Rob.
Hello.
There's Mum.
Hello.
And there's Dad. Dad, tell us where we are.
St Nicholas, Chislehurst.
And what are you doing now?
I'm looking to where we were choir boys back in the 60s.
Take us down.
Come down this way.
Sing a song.
I don't know if I can without the accompaniment.
What was your favourite song?
And I love the Old Age Weddings Fair, I think.
How does it go?
I can't sing it, it's too emotional. New carpets. There we are. Chris Taylor's seat here.
Where would be Barry sat?
Oh, don't know really.
No?
Anywhere.
And where would you be sat?
We've actually worked our way round into the vestry there. That's where the cassocks were kept.
Cool.
I can't remember the name. Mr. Colony over there.